Here we should first input the thickness of the marble. And now it is 16. We put 16. Then we move the spindle to touch move the cutter to touch the top of the marble. Then we go to the operation tools setting. Now we should use this one to minus the subtract this one. Then put the number here. Now it is minus 170, almost 75. Then subtract by 16, it will be minus 191. I just show you the method. You'd better move it more exactly to touch the top. This is the number before. It's almost same with this time, about 0.7 difference. So we do not change. If you are sure you touch the more exactly, you can change by this number. Subtract this number. Then put the results here to overwrite this value. Okay, this is the T1. The saw is T4. The saw is T4, and the right spindle it had T2 and T3. See, this one and this one almost the same because this is the same spindle. This is the same spindle in the same spindle. So you calibrate like this. You put the same number. Now I will show you. And we go up a little. Okay. We click this. Now we see the the right window go down. Then we use hand wheel to move. We go to here, to setting. Same. We use this one, subtract this, then put the result here and here. See, it is minus 150.8. Then we minus 16, it will be minus 166.8. Then put here. Okay. This is the calibrate. About the saw, it's the same. Here is the diameter of the cutter and the grinding wheel. See, these three numbers. If you use the same type of tools, you do not need to change this. Only you make a new one. Only you this old one broken, then you install a new one. Then you should calibrate this one by one. And the diameter almost the same. Just if you change the bigger cutter or different size, you need to change the diameter here. This is the diameter of the cutters and the grinding wheels. For the saw, this is T4, right? It's always 0. Yeah, here it's always 0. For the X offset and Y offset, you never change. Never change. And here is the offset. The offset, workpiece offset, it means the origin of the workpiece, origin of the sheet. We always set that corner is the origin because that corner is fixed. That corner, the left back corner there. This one we already set, so if the machine didn't change, you do not need to change here. Change this one. Here Z and C always 0, 0. This is XY. Here is the public offset. This time we didn't have water, so we will make the machine a little here to just do a simulation. So we can make it a little here by change the number here. We change to about 50. Now we will make a sink. We delete this one first. Click edit and click here. Do this one. Now disappeared. Okay. Here we can delete this one also. Click add rectangle. Then you will see. We can select the function. This is with saw. This is with only the finger cutter. This is the core grinding. This is the fine grinding. If you do not need grinding, you can uncheck this. This is the plate size. It means the length and the width. That's the thickness. Here. This is the rectangle size, length X, length Y. In the X direction, maybe we set it about 400. And for the Y length, 一会儿我正忙着，好吧，我正忙着，5分钟行吗？好吧，好。Here maybe 500. And this one means the location of the rectangle in the marble. So you can select based on left side, right side, and the left center. See, now it's the left side here, left side. It means from the left side of the marble to the rectangle. For example, 100. You can also change to the center. See, you can select left center. Now you see it will become like this. You can change by the center of the rectangle to the left of the marble. Left. And for the Y position, it's the same. See, you can use top, bottom, and bottom center and top center. Same. Top. Here, for example, 100. Now, here we can click OK. Then can click Save As. See, now it disappeared. It's summarized here. Then for safety, we can use hand view guide. When you click hand view guide, then you start. It will not move except without the clockwise rotation of the hand view. wheel, and it will automatically. It will cut by the saw first, then use the finger cutter to cut the 4 corners. Once it finishes the 4 corners, the support will go down and the carrier will move like this, then put the trash to go outside the machine. Okay. This is a basic operation. If you want grinding, you can you can make this one and this one checked. Then we save. Okay. Then you click start. It will cut first and do grinding job finally. So you can select, and you can also not select. If you do not want to use saw, you can use cutting only. That will it will use the finger cutter to cut all the rectangle without using the saw. But always we use the saw. That will be better for the cutting. Here, offset. If you are sure you know how to use this machine, you can move this one 0. Then give it water and air, everything he need, and to put a board here. Then do the actual machining. And also here there's some techniques we need. You can change here. This is the sync parameters. This is Z down height 20. It means it looks like it seems like the safe rapid level. When you go down, it will leave about 20 first, then go down slowly. This is the cut speed, and this is the overcut distance 1 milli, and this is the spindle speed 12,000. This is the last inside. This is the Z speed, the go down speed. This is the cut angle. This is the middle rectangle cutting. It means, you know, sometimes you the sink always sometimes it's below and sometimes it's above on the marble, and sometimes it's in the middle of the marble. So you need to cut another rectangle, but not cut through. So you can set here and here. When you click here, and you set the thickness, the depths here. This is the width, is depth, and this is the chamfer radius. This is the grinding parameter. Here is the depth. You can change here and here to control the grinding wheel, go down or go up. This is the Z speed. This is the feed with the grinding speed. This is the spindle speed. This is the scalpel rate. This means the lead in, lead out parameter here. And this is the saw parameters. This is the saw parameters. This is the cut speed here. These numbers, if you use the quartz, use the hour cutter, you do not need to change. And okay, this is the basic operation. 暂停一下。